Hello, in the how to fix screen goes back randomly on Windows. So first we need to go to device manager. Yes, click it. So and we are now going to update the graphic drivers. So go to display adapters. So and update the drivers. Yes. So first you got to search automatically for drivers, or you can browse any computer for drive. So in this I got for search and it's updated, and next I'm going for update drive, and this time I'm going same and the best driver already installed. So go back, and next we check power settings. Yes, go to and search for power options. In this click, and in this edit power settings is that click change advanced power and restore plan default. Yes, click it. Yes, click OK, and next we are going to scan for corrupted file. Yes, search for cmd and right click, and you can go to run as administrator. Yes, in this you need to write the sfc scan now and click enter. Yes, and wait for a few seconds, it may take time, be patient. And next dism slash online slash cleanup slash image slash restore health. Yes, after writing this, click enter and wait for few seconds. Be patient, it will take time. It will scan all the things. Yes, and it's completed successfully, and go exit. And the next we are going to check overheating. Yes, so for this you need to go to task manager and go to performance, and as you can see the CPU is there. You need to check the CPU performance. It's going 90%, 100% means clean the dust from your PC or laptop. Next you need to uninstall recent update. Yes, go to Windows update, click Windows update settings, and there's you need to go to you are up to date. Yes, and scroll down, you have a update history is that. Click it and click uninstall update. Click it, and you need to uninstall the updates. Yes, I have 3 updates found, so you need to uninstall these 3 updates. Yes, once you uninstall, click and click restart it. So thank you.